So it's almost the end of the day. I really can't do anything more right now because I have to wait for this batch of charms to dry before I can take them down, let them finish curing, and put the next batch up. So I really don't have that many more to glaze, but yeah. So usually I barely get done in time to go get the kids. I'm usually there like just before 3. So anyway, we're gonna go to Adam's mom's house because it's really nice outside. It's like 62. It feels like fall. I don't know for how much longer, but it feels like fall. So we're gonna go there. One of the reasons we are going to Grandma's house is to give them this drawing that Will made at school. It's of Grandma and Papa and Will, and they're at the lake throwing rocks. And my very favorite part is Papa has a mustache just like in real life. He did such a good job. Oh, and here's Will's.
Can you get some for me?
Reach in there.
Gentle.
Reach down in there, get on.
A lot. Oh, careful, baby.
Got it.
They're not happy that we're taking their eggs.
Not all of them.
Yup.
Show me, Ro. Can you show me what eggs you got? Very nice, baby.
Can we get more?
No, that's all that the chickens get. Okay, so we made it home and I took some really beautiful footage in my mother-in-law's yard because she has such a pretty yard and chickens and everything, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. We actually ended up going out to eat, you know, so remember that healthy eating I was telling you about. And I am going to do another batch of glazing because I didn't get that done this afternoon. Ooh, the curls are starting to rebel. But yeah, and then I think I'm going to work on, I was clipping a barrette, if you were wondering what that clicking sound was. I'm going to work on a little bit more of the illustrations I want to include in my pattern that's coming out at the end of the month, and then just chill for the rest of the night. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow.